the rarity on a mad consistent basis.
Yes, scoop makatini, scoop makatini. Yes, scoop makatini, scoop makatini. Ukijimi ngari fanga mafili, utwali ngari makasini. Yes, scoop makatini, ukijimi ngari fanga mafili, utwali ngari makasini. Yes, scoop makatini, yes, scoop makatini. President supervisor, I'm swag company. Without you, guys get a voice in bucks. Without you, guys get a cash turn. Nothing for life. Into our book, Tadu Italile. How much you do, what you do, what begile. Yes, get a beef, ya book, on your vest. Yes, get a steez, the spirits, I was poor What's the problem with this new school case? But I'm better than some put up a yas go with chair. Anthropology, oh yeah, Boom swang television, go my god. OMT, Bakudebe Funu Fananawe. I'll scoop makatini. This hip hop award should give you something. Cause you shifted the culture like Utre, a comty. Yes, scoop makatini, scoop makatini. Yes, scoop makatini, scoop makatini. Hoki chimi ngari fanga mafili, utwali ngari makasini. Yes, scoop makatini, uki chimi ngari fanga mafili, utwali ngari makasini. Yes, scoop makatini. We bought them from the days, yeah, was street channel. Abo Messi by a power, I'm a road man. Cause by a bodu ya Jerez, I'm a khasman. He started a hairstyle, now everybody's on it LT though. We see you 16V, he started a grill game, now every rap is on it. We see you Spista trying to mimic the show. It'll never be the same, why? Cause Season Scoop is not on Y anymore. It also goes for the other music show on Channel O. Black and Pants and Those about to wipe out. This shit's like a master. Cause other niggas, they be feeling pressure while others are feeling the dough. Scoop makatini, scoop makatini. Yes, scoop makatini, scoop makatini. Ukichimi ngari fanga mafili, utwali ngari makasini. Ukichimi ngari fanga mafili, utwali ngari makasini. Yes, scoop makatini, scoop makatini. Yes, scoop makatini, scoop makatini. Uki chimi ngari fanga mafili, utwali ngari makasini. Yes, scoop makatini, uki chimi ngari fanga mafili, utwali ngari makasini. Yes, scoop makatini.
Now I'm telling them what's next. And not only are they not listening, they are now hiring. And this is not a point for the talent, because everybody needs to get their money. But that's the problem I'm facing with that. The industry is hiring people who like it, and they won't let me graduate.